What would nature conservation be like if it decided that no animal or plant was alien? Hello, I'm Wayne Linklater, Professor of Environmental Studies at Sac State University. It's a question I posed in my new book, Wild Horses of the Last Land, what we can learn about nature and ourselves from the Kaimanawa wild horses. Conservation's core fundamental intent is to use, protect, preserve, sustain nature so that our children and our children's children can live well too. There is nothing in conservation's moral intent about nativeness, originality, or purity. The debate about wild horses in Australia, New Zealand, and the United States of America, in particular, is not a debate between horse lovers and conservationists. It is a debate within conservation about whether or not wild horses are part of nature or separate. Horse lovers are conservationists too. To learn more, click the link on my book below or follow me. I'll see you on the other side.